Let me repeat. I claim that all human activity, our love life, our personal finances, our education, our dreams, our family tree, all of that will be digitized.
Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel Tech.StudiO. Today, I am gonna talk about a platform where you can learn digital marketing for free and get certified by one of the biggest companies in the world. Watch the video till the end to see how you can get certified in digital marketing for free. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post videos. Let's get to the video. First of all, I am gonna talk about the scope of digital marketing. You must have noticed a lot of ads and content these days on social media about different products or services. Why is it that you see a lot of these stuffs during this time? You might be wondering it may be due to Corona and the lockdowns that people can't go out to market their products using the conventional methods. No, digital marketing has started years back and it is ever growing. But now, even small businesses are switching ways from conventional marketing to digital marketing. This is a revolution and you are just seeing the start of it. This article talks about a study conducted in 2019 which shows the future of digital marketing. You can see that it was already predicted that 86% of marketing across the world will be through digital marketing by 2020. This percentage might have increased from what was expected to almost 95% in 2020 because of lockdowns. But this isn't gonna change. People have started to like the idea of work from home and even the companies like this way. Everything is going digital. Imagine the chances of a person getting good jobs if they know digital marketing. Digital marketing is a combination of various skills and if you know any one of these skills, you can earn huge amounts of money either by working in a company or by freelancing. You have a big opportunity to learn these skills and get certified for free. The only thing you have to do is watch the whole video and do exactly what I say in this video. Grab this opportunity and be ahead of the future. Now, let's see how you can do it. Type in Google Courses. Yes, you heard it right. You will be certified by Google if you complete this course. Isn't it wonderful? You can now understand how valuable this course is gonna be. Now, click on this link. As you can see, there are a total of 126 courses provided by Google for free, out of which only one course is provided with certification. This is the course that I am talking about. Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. We will come back to see all other courses at the end of this video, so watch this video till the end. You can read about this course. Master the basics of digital marketing with our free interactive advertising bureau accredited course. There are a total of 26 modules to explore, all created by Google trainers, packed full of practical exercise and real-world examples to help you turn knowledge into action. The course consists of 26 modules and is a 40-hour duration course. So, what happens if you get certified? You can improve your CV and you can upload it on LinkedIn. This is how the certificate looks like. The certificate is provided under the name of Google Digital Unlocked, so the name Google can itself improve your chances of getting a job. Once you get certified, you can find a job and grow your career. You can also switch career if you want to. So how can you get certified? You have to complete all 26 modules and take a quick quiz to test your knowledge. Then, you have to pass the final 40 questions exam. It will be mostly objective type, so don't worry, it will be quite easy. Now, we can go through the modules. As I said, there are 26 modules. The first modules will help you understand what digital marketing really is about. Any beginner can understand and learn it as it starts from the scratch. Then, you can see a lot of topics that the course go through. You will be taught about search engine basics, search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, starting an e-commerce store, and so on. You can see the skills that you will be learning if you complete this course. Even if you learn one of these skills, you will have a great chance of getting a high-paying job. You can read the success stories of people here. About Sylvia, who became a content marketing manager after she completed this course. The FAQs are given here. You can go through it. If you want to start the course, just click here. I have started my course, so that's why I am not showing how to sign up. I hope most of you can take advantage of this opportunity and learn these high-income skills. I don't know for how long will Google provide free certificates, so grab this opportunity and make the most of it. Now, let's see what other courses are provided in here. There are 125 other courses that you can learn, but you won't get a certificate for it. But it's still worth your time. You can learn about business-related topics, and there are a lot of them. You can also learn about personal development courses like communication, public speaking, etc. Technology-related courses like AI, cloud computing, data science, etc. are also available. You can also learn about programming languages like Python and Java. I am not gonna talk about each and every course, but I just say that it's all available. Go through the courses and learn whichever course that you are interested in. I would recommend the digital marketing course to everyone to start with. Trust me, this is a great opportunity to learn about a course that will help you a lot, whichever profession you might be in. I hope every one of you will complete this course and get certified. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. You can give feedback by commenting in the comments section. See you again.